Deputy Chairman, comma, this is only an amending bill and the time is also very short. Stop. So, comma, I cannot take up all the industries separately, but I shall confine myself to a few observations. Stop. Last year also in this house by about this time, comma, we discussed another tariff amendment bill. Stop. In connection with that, comma, I made certain observations as well as suggestions for the government, comma, but I do not find that any attention has been paid to these suggestions. Stop. My suggestions were to this effect that when any bill for granting protection or discontinuing protection to an industry was brought, comma, we should be supplied with certain information under three categories. Stop. The first information was whether the protection granted to an industry had been used only by the indigenous industry or advantage of the protection had been taken by foreign capital entrenched in that industry, comma, because, comma, sir, comma, I submit that the main purpose of granting protection to certain industries is to develop our national industries, comma, but if it is found that taking advantage of the protection, comma, foreign capital goes into those fields where the industry is not highly developed or it does not involve a huge outlay of capital or huge outlay of machinery, comma, the protection becomes a farce. Stop. My second category of suggestions was that when protection was granted to an industry, comma, it should be seen how far that industry was progressing properly and also how far it was taking steps to lighten the burden on the consumers. Stop. Thirdly, comma, when we are granting protection to certain industries, comma, we have the right to demand of that industry that it should give a fair deal to its own labor. Stop. I suggest that when notes are circulated to us in connection with a tariff amending bill, comma, we should be supplied that information on these various counts, comma, particularly these three. Stop. Lastly, comma, I would like to make another point in connection with the soda ash industry. Stop. The question of this industry was discussed thoroughly on the floor of the house last year. Stop. The fact is that I gave certain suggestions and also drew the attention of the house to certain particular features connected with this industry. Stop. The domestic production is still far less than the actual domestic demand. Stop. That is why, comma, import of soda ash is being allowed. Stop. But it was complained that licenses for importing soda ash were given to the Imperial Chemical Industries. Stop.